Good morning, people of the interwebs. I hope everyone's doing well. It's a Tuesday and it's dead on 7 a.m. Aye, so I've been up a couple of hours. I've been a good boy. Got Monday's vlog edited and that's uploaded for members, but never fear, it's near for everyone else shortly. Chloe's up, Liam's up. I've left Lacey and Soph in bed because Soph's not going, obviously, because of her ear. So yes. Here we go again. Same, different day, innit? Few things I want to do today, though. I want to do some, I've got some ideas for the garden, so I've got some measuring to do. Sort Lacey with the schooling, obviously. Bit of hoovering up. Cut the grass, really, in between. Yeah, you know, just your average day, but have a good one. Chloe Bane's just gone to the toilet. I've shouted Liam down. Oh, here he comes. I was going to say he's not listening to me. And we will get off for the Tuesday school run. Milo's like, no, I'm not having any of it. I'll just chill here. All right then, Lee? Yeah. You got PE? Yeah. I think Chloe has. You like PE?
Not really.
Depends what you do. Got a little egg before you go? An apple? Oh. Alright. Tired?
Yeah.
Me too. Before we leave, can anyone spot Scruff? You ready now, Duck? Alright, let's get your coat on and go, go, go. It's Chloe in school. She was alright going. She said, oh, I don't want to go, but that's, you know, first day back and all that, innit? There's Shirley. You're not looking? She's back tomorrow, aren't you? Going back again tomorrow, eh?
I said yeah.
Good boy. Why are you hiding?
Because I don't want
Oh, because you've got your morning face on. She hasn't put a, you know. Anyway, we'll sort Lacey out in a minute. I'm just going to have a coffee. Ring the crew as I do. Smell grass because someone's out here mowing the lawn. Smells nice. I like the smell of freshly cut grass. Yeah, it's nice. I need to do mine though. I've got a few things I want to do in the garden today. Well, not a few things I want to do in there, but I've got to do some measuring in things. I've got some ideas, but yeah, anyway, let's ring the crew as we do. These women are always on out for now, but I needed some more slabs because I need to put some in the guinea pig enclosure outside. They've found some on out for now. Someone's getting rid of about 40, but there's someone that wants 20, and I said I'm not sure how many I need, so I said ask for 10. So I think we're going to fetch them shortly. I've still got Lacey to sort out, because I've only just got off the phone to the crew as I do, and I've got so much to do and such little time to do it in. There, we've bagged ourselves 10 slabs. Could have got more, but I'm not sure how many I want or how many I need for what I want them. Well, I want them for that, but not all of it, do you know what I mean? So, I mean, if I wanted all of it doing, there wouldn't be enough, but probably just a little section. Hello, Dry. Are you ready for the day? We'll set you up, and then Daddy's got going through the grass. Okay? You all right today?
I won't get it now.
Good boy. What you broke?
It's spotlight.
Oh, it's Liam's light. Afternoon, it literally is. It's like 20 to 1. I've had you guys on charge most of the day. And I've been busy, very busy. So I've got Lacey Lou sorted, and then I came out in the garden, cut the grass, and then I decided to move the deck in, put it up here. Obviously it's not finished, it needs securing at the end here. I've had to take some slabs, I'll show you, there. But then I'm going to put another row of slabs down there. And there, I think I'm going to put guinea pig hutch down there. And then eventually I want another little shed for me, for my tools and things. A little metal one there. And that's the plan, guys. But I can't really do a lot more at the moment. So, I stopped because I took Rach to work and well, like I said, there's not a lot else I can do. Iceland came, I was going to do a shopping haul, but obviously I was busy, so it got put away, so you didn't get to see it. Right, so, lovely day, by the way. I feel like I caught the sun a bit. Crazy. It's actually really nice out there, actually, in the sun. Sophie reckons she's cold. She's covered up in the living room with a blanket on her. Anyway, as I've been out in the garden and things, I thought, well, I'm a little dirty. So I thought, I'm coming for a quick bath, have that, get cleaned up, and then it won't be long before I go on school run. Not having to pick Liam up again though. He used to moan about walking home, but as of late, he seems to, I don't know if it's because the weather's got nicer, but he sort of asked yesterday if he wants to walk home, so that's easy for me. I'll leave, get Chloe straight home, get the tea on, and then when he walks in, tea's ready for him. Still got that blanket on you. Big coldie.
Oh,
Got all these clothes to fold up, haven't we?
just don't look at my face. That's my leg.
How are you?
Good.
I am random, that's me, Lace. Anyway, I've had a bath. Nice and clean now. So, like I said, school run soon. Well, you've got more than I thought, Lacey. Considering the other day you'd gone through a lot. You've still got, yeah, not as much as the others, but that's alright. That's what it's there for, isn't it? Oh yeah, the guineas are out here, guys. Clean the cage outside. And put them in there for now. So enjoying fresh air. Scruff keeps winding them up. The kids hung that washing out. Took them ages. I thought I was slow at hanging washing out, but jeez. Just saying. I like this getting home early. Do you? Instead of waiting about. The safe's back tomorrow, so we may pick them up, depends. Yeah, guineas are in there. Good first day back. Good first day back. No, thought you said on the way home it was all right. It was.
Dad, did my clothes
Oh, fell off. How are you then?
Good.
You got anything to tell me? No? Did you get a new book and that today? No? No PE? Oh.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Well, we've moved this up here now. We're going to have this here, but it needs all sorting out, painting, and yeah. Needs a lot doing to it yet.
What, the extras there go down?
No, it'll stay on here.
Yeah, but what's meant to go to that?
The guinea pig enclosure's going down there. That is going down there. And then there, when I get a new little shed, it's going there. Okay? It'll take time, but no rush. Is that all alright for you? Yeah? You happy to have told you all that? Yeah. Lacey's not keen on the guineas outside anymore because I've put this back in the house now. Give them a fresh bed and that. She's like, oh, I'll go and get them. So she's off to get them. But they've had all their beddings and everything washed and yeah. So, alright, I need to get the garden sorted so they can live back outside. What do you say, Wab? He's like, where are they? What you say? You can't be bothered to walk now?
I've had PE.
I thought you was enjoying walking.
I had PE.
Oh, okay.
No, I've done a lot of running.
Okay. Well, why didn't you text me that then? I would have just stayed there and picked you up.
Because when I text you,
Have
you
some
already said
common
you...
sense,
you
Leo.
already
Yeah,
said you
earlier
were-
on, you could have texted me.
I know, but that was like 2 minutes.
What did you do in PE
You'd
then?
have to do a U-turn and go all the way back to Tesco. Tennis.
Tennis.
But it was a lot of running.
Did you think you was Roger Federer?
Who? What's all this?
Oh, it's where I've cleaned the guinea pigs and they got dust everywhere and it's got bearded up. Oh, so,
Tired.
oh,
My legs ache.
oh,
My feet ache.
oh,
Brown dog.
oh,
White sheep.
oh.
Yeah,
Nothing
Leo,
else to
have
tell me.
common sense.
He was already
I was
basically home.
joking.
You'd have been around holding them if I texted you.
Should we really call it text?
Message.
Or should we just say message? We used to call it text.
Why?
Nowadays the cool kids say message.
I'm not cool, am
Or do they say drop me a
Message.
a DM?
Oh.
I? Slide into your DMs.
Hey? What's that all about?
No, don't.
You got to go.
Uh-oh,
No.
someone's knocking on the door.
Chloe.
I want Chloe out. Well, doing some tea for the kiddos. Chloe Bow's gone out, hasn't she, lads? She wasn't gonna, She went to get in her pyjamas, didn't she? There was a knock on the door. I think I was vlogging actually when I think I was talking to Liam anyway. Chloe was on the toilet at the time, and Liam said to her friends, "Oh, she'll be out in a minute," and then she come out and she was like, "Oh, I'm in my pyjamas now." And then she just went and got changed and went out. Alright, Brogan, you enjoying it out there?
My name's not Brogan.
Okay.
Have a flavoured water, please.
Do you know how to get it?
Yeah.
Then you shall get it. Brogan likes it out here, don't you, Brog? Still quite nice in that sun, isn't it? It's getting a bit chilly in the shade, but in the actual sun it's nice. So we're lucky that we've still got the sun up here. Come and take a seat in my office. Just coming to get our Rach. I've put a jacket on now, look, I've gone cold. Sun's still shining, but yeah, like I said earlier, in the shade it's a little chilly. And as it gets later, it's getting cooler. I'll tell you what though, I'm hungry, but I don't know what to have for tea. I have no idea. But I'll tell you what I am going to have. A Rennie. Because I have got bad heartburn again. And I don't know why. Well, I do. It's this big stomach of mine, holding all the acid. I'm not eating today though. Not yet. I didn't show my tea. I was that hungry, didn't show it. It wasn't much special anyway, but it was something Rach picked up from Iceland's earlier. Singapore noodle things. Didn't look very appetising to tell you the truth, but it tasted alright. And it's filled a hole, so. And to fill the rest of the hole, I'm going to have a latte. Well, it's come to that time of evening again. Time to go to Bedfordshire. 10 to 9. Rach likes to get in bed for 9 this week because she's been watching that programme that Danny Dyer hosts, where they're in the darkness, living in the dark for so many hours. She's into that at the minute, so. I've sort of been on my phone when it's been on, sort of watching a little bit. So she was like, "You like it really, don't you?" I was like, "No, it's odd, but yeah, it's something that you keep looking at, yeah, I'm not going to lie, but I wouldn't go out my way to watch it like she does, but she says it's a little bit like Big Brother, but in the dark. Yeah. Talking about that, I thought it was meant to be bringing that back. Anyway, we'll go say goodnight to the others, and then that'll be it. Hello. Anyway, I've got bed to put you. Was it last night? I come in your bedroom? Yes, last night. And I said, "You look tired, nearly asleep," and you said, "School wears you out." Well, you know Lacey, she was wondering about till midnight, and she says you was awake.
No, not at midnight.
Well, just before then. 11 something.
Yeah, 11.
Yeah. So you want that tired after all?
It's because I drank.
Drunk. Oh. You do look tired again tonight though. Night, mate. Love you. Night, Cheryl.
It's not on the stash.
Get your Sudocrem on.
Yeah, Dad, it's starting to go at the bottom of my lips, so I had to put some butter.
It is clearing up though. Love you then.
No.
Night.
No.
Night, darling. Oh, you're nearly asleep, aren't you? Love you. And there we have it then. Thank you so much for watching. As always, take care. Peace out.